Yeah, you're famous. You got your book. You happy, Tekka? You happy? So, I'm in the living room. The boys are fighting over their millet over by their cages, and I'm finally making my video on Tekka's new book. It is called Budgie Wit and Wisdom. It's something I threw together on Shutterfly, and it's very amateur and basically just has funny pictures of budgies and funny budgie quotes. The boys, they flew around. I'm gonna take some pictures of my favorite pages and just like describe what's on there and what the style is. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out overall. I'm kind of wish I'd gotten the lay flat pages. Like, I'm not sure if you can see, but it doesn't quite open up all the way. But there aren't any like images that go over 2 pages, so it's not that big of a deal. I also realized after I made it that I didn't fill 1 page. I used all the pictures I wanted, but somehow there's still a blank page at the end, so I'm just gonna have to go back and update it and add another picture. So let's have a look at the book. So this is the cover again. As you can see, I went with this very calming pastel green background and a sepia toned photo. This is the first page. It actually has the most text in the book because it has Tekka's backstory and his Twitter handle on it. And you can see that not every page has a green color scheme. In fact, I kind of like the ones that are more red because they contrast with the blue and green colors of the birds. This is a page where I kind of wish I did have the lay flat pages because some of the numbers are hard to read, but I really like these green colors in the background. On this page, I really like the calming pinks and reds, and I think that budgies have some interesting thoughts on religion. On this page, I really like how the 2 different leaf backgrounds match, and I think the pictures are pretty funny as well. And on this page, I just like how the pictures showcase how sassy and full of personality budgies are. This is my final page for now. I chose to go back to the leaf theme a little bit, just with yellow ones instead of red, and I think that is the quote that Tekka himself would definitely like to leave you with. I just wanted to make a note that there are other pages in this book that I didn't show you guys, but I showed you some of the ones that I think turned out nicely. Thank you for taking a look at Tekka's new book with me. He's very proud of it as well. And as you can hear, the birds are saying thank you too. Goodbye!